In this video, I will show you how to use the most popular deposit method on Gate.io P2P trading. This is one of the most popular ways to deposit and buy cryptocurrency because this way you save money on fees. Your transfer looks like a normal transaction that is not related to cryptocurrency, because you send money from your bank card to a Gate.io user, and after that, the user on Gate.io sends you USDT from their wallet on the exchange. USDT is the main token coin on Gate.io for buying other cryptocurrencies. To use the P2P deposit method on the Gate.io exchange, you need to create an account if you are not already registered on Gate.io. I will leave my referral link. In the Referral ID section, this code must be filled in to receive a 20% discount on all commissions. The code will be filled in automatically after clicking on the link, but if it is not there, then you can enter it manually. The discount on commissions will always be valid for all transactions. After that, click on the Sign Up button to register. After registration, you need to verify your account in order to use all the features on Gate.io without restrictions. You need to perform identity verification. This verification is enough for the average user. You also need to verify your phone number. This is a prerequisite for P2P. After verifying your account, you can start buying cryptocurrency and investing. On the Gate.io homepage, select Assets. After that, open a spot account. In this section, you will be able to find and view your investments and account balance. To buy cryptocurrency, you need to find USDT. It is the main stablecoin. Using USDT, you will be able to buy other cryptocurrencies. Therefore, we will use the P2P method to deposit USDT in order to buy another cryptocurrency. Select Deposit USDT. Here you will see all available deposit methods. One of them is P2P trading. After choosing this method, your bank will not see that you bought cryptocurrency, because in other ways, the Gate.io purchase identification will be displayed in the bank transaction. P2P trading only shows a money transaction, as if we are sending money to a friend. Also, this method is the most economical with a minimum commission. Therefore, I choose P2P trading so as not to overpay for commissions. After selecting P2P trading, you need to set up payment and money receipt in the payment settings section. Choose Add Payment and enter the account number of your bank card that you will use for payment. But first, you need to select the bank name and the currency of your bank card. After that, enter the bank name and account number. Confirm the entered data and return to the P2P trading section. To make a deposit, you need to select Buy in USDT. Next, you need to select the currency of your bank card. You can select any currency of the card in which you want to send a P2P transfer. Enter the amount of USDT you want to receive on Gate.io. In the All Payments section, you can choose the name of the bank you will use to transfer money. At the bottom, you will be offered a list of sellers with whom you can make an exchange. The best price will be located at the top. Therefore, choose Buy USDT. Enter the amount you want to exchange for USDT and click Buy USDT again. To confirm the start of P2P, click Buy Now. After that, an order will be created, which must be executed within 20 minutes. You will have 20 minutes to send money to the seller. Click on the USE Pay button to view the details for sending money. Log into your bank's page and send the amount you specified at the beginning of the trade to the details from the order. After sending money to the seller, you need to click on the I have paid button. You can add a screenshot of the payment or a receipt. After that, click I have paid. The seller must now send you USDT to your wallet on the Gate.io exchange. In the chat, you will see a notification stating that the seller has sent you USDT. The status of the order will automatically change and it will be completed. Select Check the Balance to check the receipt of USDT. The order was successfully completed and we received USDT using P2P trading. We can now buy any cryptocurrency using USDT. To buy crypto, select Trade and open Spot. Select or type the name of the cryptocurrency you want to buy in the search. For example, I'll buy a Dogecoin Mars. After selecting a cryptocurrency, enter the amount of USDT in the Buy section. I'll buy a Dogecoin Mars for $20. The quantity is listed here, and the market price is indicated at the top. After that, click on the Buy button and confirm the purchase of cryptocurrency. In this way, we bought the Dogecoin Mars cryptocurrency for $20. If you want, you can sell cryptocurrency at any time using the Sell section. To view your investment, select Assets and Spot Account. This will show the cryptocurrency we bought. In this way, you can invest or trade cryptocurrency on the Gate.io exchange. I've shown you the main way I recommend using to save money on fees and buying crypto. If you want to sell your cryptocurrency and receive money on your bank card, then you can use the P2P method. But first, you need to convert the cryptocurrency to USDT, because USDT is most often used for withdrawing money to a bank card. To convert cryptocurrency to USDT, select Trade and Spot. In the search, enter the name of the cryptocurrency you want to convert to USDT. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you need to click the Sell button. Here you will see your balance and the approximate cost. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency to sell. After that, click Sell. Your order will be placed at the bottom, and the price of your transaction will be shown in this table. You need to wait some time because the price is constantly changing. But if you do not want to wait, then cancel the order. After that, enter the amount of cryptocurrency to sell again. But to have your order executed instantly, you need to specify one of the lowest selling prices from this table. Wait a bit, and your turn will reach that price. After that, your order will be executed. In this way, you will be able to convert your cryptocurrency to USDT. After converting to USDT, we can sell USDT and receive money on our bank card using the P2P method without commission. Select Buy Crypto and open the P2P section. Choose Sell to sell USDT and receive money on your bank card. In the Payment Settings section, don't forget to add your bank card number. But I have already shown how to do this when purchasing USDT at the beginning of the video. After adding a bank card, you need to select USDT and the currency of your bank card. Enter the amount of USDT for sale and choose the method of receipt or the name of your bank. For example, a regular bank card. The best exchange rate will be displayed at the top. After that, select Sell USDT. Again, enter the amount of USDT you want to sell and receive the money on your bank card. Click Sell USDT to create an order. The buyer of your USDT will have 15 minutes to transfer the money to your bank card. After the money has been transferred to your bank card, you will see the status change of the order, and a new button Payment Received will appear. Check your bank account. If you have received the specified amount of money in the order, then confirm the order by clicking the Payment Received button. The transaction is successfully completed, and in this way, you will be able to receive money on your bank card from the cryptocurrency you sold on Gate.io. That's all. This is how the P2P method works. I have shown you the basic money operations for buying and selling cryptocurrency on Gate.io. I also recommend that you watch my previous videos about the Gate.io exchange. There you will be able to learn more new ways to buy or sell cryptocurrency. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.